Hey y'all, so we are jumping right into this video. This was my first day fit, first day of classes. As you can see, I have this white top on with like 3 buttons and a little cropped, a little peekaboo action. My shirt's from Shein, my jeans are from Fashion Nova, and my shoes are also from Shein, as well as the glasses that you see. Of course, hair done by me, period. It's giving glow. It's giving brown skin girl. You know the vibes. Next, day 2 outfit. I just have on this dress with my Marc Jacobs tote bag mini. Got some sandals on. Got some glasses from Shein as well. So dress from Shein, bag Marc Jacobs, shoes Shein, glasses Shein. I just thought this was a cute little fit. Also, I have some accessories. My bracelets are from Shein and Alex and Ani. I have the mixture. And then my necklace is from Sophia. And yeah, that's the fit. Nice and comfy, not doing too much. It was a nice day this day, and it was definitely perfect. Here are some pictures. Next day, we're going for chill fit. I got a graphic tee. I got some jeans on, ripped jeans. Different hairstyle, but my shirt is from Walmart, jeans from Aeropostale, shoes from Old Navy. I'm about to show y'all the shoes in a second, but I'm just showing y'all the fit. My necklace is also from Shein. Yeah, get into it. And these are the 2 options that I had for my sandals. Both of them are from Old Navy. One of them is gray, one of them is white. I just didn't know which one would match better, but I did end up going with the white. I got my bag for class and I'm ready to go. Next, we just have a super duper comfy fit. My shirt's from Shein, my sweats are from Forever 21, my shoes are Crocs, and my jean jacket, I don't remember, y'all. I'm sorry, but here I am explaining where my shirt is from. Clearly, I forgot. Again, sweatpants, gray sweatpants, real comfy. I think I had a dance class or something today. You see the gibbets on my Crocs. Can't wear the Crocs without some gibbet. Not too much on the socks. Anyway, bracelets are from Shein, and this is really like the little fit or whatever. My necklace is from Soulfield, like the previous outfits. Bag from Marshalls, don't sleep on it, period. That's what I'm saying. And yeah, comfy fit. It's raining outside. I don't feel like, I'm a Starbucks girl. I'm also a Dunkin' girl, don't get it twisted. But here's the outfit of the day. Yes, I know it was ghetto going from voiceover to audio back to voiceover, but whatever. Here's a little cute video of me, comfy cute again. This day, I clearly had a dance class. Yeah, sorry y'all. Shirt from Shein, record shorts. It was this store in my hometown. Shoes, Crocs. Again, not too much on the socks. There's a gibbet that my mom gave me, butterflies. That's my butterflies. Love you, mommy. And the purple is in the back of the shirt, so I do match. It's just, you can't really tell. But I'm grabbing my bag and I'm leaving. It was the last class of the week. With that being said, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching and make sure you come back for another piece of K. Bye.